guys, this is Jesse from Drift House coming to you with some new content. We're doing our first sneaker review today. We're going to be reviewing some pretty hype sneakers that are out on the market that people are interested in. Give you some details on the sneakers, what it's made out of, the inspiration behind it, and give you a close eye view so you can see, is this the shoe for you? But before we do that, let's see what I got on feet today. So today I got on my feet the Vans Vault Old School Cap Regrind LXs in Holiday and True White. So these were originally known as the Style 36. It was the first leather shoe ever in Vans history when they were released back in 1977. But without further ado, let's get into what you guys came in for. Let's see what kind of shoes I got. So this shoe here, we haven't got it in yet, but I did get it sent from a friend so we could do this video and give out the details for you guys a little ahead of time so you can really kind of see, is this the shoe for you? Pretty stoked to see this. I know that there's been a lot of hype on Nike SB lately, especially with the Dunk. Sick. So Nike SB earlier this year made a change to their boxes where now they have 3 different types of boxes. With this one, you have the purple general release box or GR release. Then they have the orange label box, which is skater inspired footwear. Like this Leo Baker Bruin High. And then the cream of the crop, which is the quick stripe box. The quick stripe box comes in a rainbow colorway. Looks like the fruit stripe gum. If you guys remember that with the zebra, kind of takes you back when I was a kid. If you haven't tried fruit stripe gum, you're not missing out on anything. Flavor lasts like 5 seconds. As you guys know, over the years, Nike SB has changed their boxes kind of to signify a change in the times. With this one, we got the purple box, we got the new orange label box, and we have the new quick stripe box. Took a little bit to start getting into the new purple boxes. We just started getting them in recently, probably within, I would say, maybe the last 2 months. I think Nike had still quite a few of the teal boxes that they had to get rid of, and now we're starting to see more consistency with getting that purple box in. Personally, I think this is great for Nike SB. I think it really marks a new change and a new era for Nike SB, and now there seems to be a new resurgence in Nike SB, specifically with the Nike SB Dunk. But we are seeing new silhouettes from SB, new ideas, new creativity, new materials that we haven't really seen before. So enough talking about the box, let's see what's inside. So today we're going to talk about the Nike SB Dunk Laser Orange and Regency Purple Dunk Low. So this shoe I'm particularly excited about because the colorways are perfect for LSU colorways. I'm a huge LSU fan. I'm originally from Louisiana, Shreveport, shout out Shreveport. And this shoe goes perfectly with an LSU jersey. I know a lot of people have been calling this shoe the Kobe shoe. Some people have been calling the shoe the Alizés. So the first time I saw this colorway, I didn't know that it was gonna look like this. So to give you guys the real story on the inspiration behind this shoe is part of the Nike SB liquor pack that has recently came out over the last couple of months. You guys might have seen online or Instagram the Nike SB Dunk Low that just came out in the Hennessy colorway or Muslin colorway. Also the Hpnotiq colorway, or everybody's calling it the Blue Fury by the colorway itself. And then the third pair, which are going to be the Laser Orange Regency Purple or the Alizé Dunk Lows, inspired by Alizé Gold Passion Liquor. Now some people are dubbing this the Kobe Dunk, which I can see every reason why they would think that this would be a Kobe Dunk. Rest in peace, Black Mamba. This is the perfect colorway for your Lakers jersey with the gold and purple. So you could dub this the Alizés, the Kobe Dunks. You could even call these the LSU Dunks. Go Tigers. What do you guys think? Comment, let me know what you guys think. All right, so now we've talked about the backstory behind the shoe. Now let's get into the actual shoe. So the first thing that I noticed when I saw this was a combination of suede, leather, and also patent leather too. One of the things that stands out to me the most is the patent leather swoosh along the side, and the heel is all a shiny gloss purple with an embroidered Nike symbol. What's really unique, I think, and just Personally, one of the things I like about this shoe is the change in the materials. It's not all the same material. It's not all leather. It's not all suede. They really did a great job as far as mixing different materials to create a really unique shoe that was still simple. There's nothing crazy or fancy about this shoe. It's not like the Strangelove with all the crushed velvet. It's still a unique shoe, but something that you can wear out every single day. Outside of the patent leather, you also have the suede nubuck in this laser orange colorway, which is a more of a mustardy yellow golden colorway, and all of the white is going to be an all white leather. Some shoes, they come with a really tough leather. I think Nike SB personally does a really good job with their leather that I've seen recently on their Dunk releases. This is a little bit more of a smooth leather, perforation at the toe cap. So if you are skating this shoe, it allows the shoe to breathe a little bit more so you're not getting sweat foot or swamp foot. So it is a very, very soft leather, very good flexibility as well. And then another change in materials is with the tongue. So instead of doing leather all the way up the tongue, I personally like this canvas tongue. They did that with the infrareds this year, and I thought it was a really nice touch. I personally like the ice bottoms. I've been seeing it a lot lately within a few of the different Dunks. The Strangeloves had ice bottoms, and also the Blue Furies Hpnotiqs also had ice bottoms too, which I think is a nice touch and a nice, I don't think it's played out really yet, but I do think that it needs to be done on specific types of shoes and specific colorways of shoes. It's just a really nice accent, but it doesn't need to be done all the time, you know? So, in looking at the tag too, you can see the style number, which is BQ6817-800. For those of you who don't know, the first 6 numerals or letters are the style of the shoe, which BQ6817 is typically a generic Dunk Low, and then the last 3 digits are going to be the colorway. Also on the inside of the shoe too, we have a all gold insole to break up those colorways as well. With the zoom mirror technology too, you'll see the zoom mirror and the heel. What do you guys think so far? Comment down below what you think of the shoe. Also, typically Dunks come with a second set of laces. Sometimes they're packed up. I've been seeing packed laces in quick strikes and general releases. Sometimes they're just tied just like this. So you have the purple laces that you can put in there. Some people I've been seeing recently, you can switch out the laces, maybe do like a purple lace here, a white lace here, or both purple. What color laces do you think would go the best with this shoe? Sometimes I've been rocking different color lacing, doing the purple and the white. I think with these, I would probably do that, maybe the purple, but I do like, I don't know, maybe just switch it up every now and then. I do like a good white shoe too, and this is a super fresh summer shoe. So these shoes retail at $100 US and do not have a scheduled release date. So just to keep you up to date on what's been going on in shops lately with all of the COVID pandemic, is that a lot of our releases, not just Nike SB, but all vendors across the board, orders have unfortunately either been canceled or pushed back due to the COVID pandemic. When it is supposed to release, we're not sure yet. It is a general release, so it could release at any time. There are shops that I'm starting to see across social media that are getting this shoe. If you guys would like more information on our shoe releases that we're getting, follow Drift House Skate on Instagram or check out our website, drifthouse.com. That wraps up the Dunk Low Pro Alizé or Kobe release. Comment down below, let us know if you liked it. Would you like to see more content like this? If so, what are some shoes that you would like to see us review? I know that there's some heat coming out pretty soon, which we might or might not be getting. You're just gonna have to follow us and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Drift House Skate on Instagram for all your sneaker and skate needs. I'm Jesse, tuning out. Hopefully we'll see you again later. And don't forget to subscribe.